Just literally look at that, just trying to make sure it's in focus. So it's a filleted shucker here. You pinch up their skin, take a little slit with your knife, rip the skin off of the breastbone here. Tear it all back. Here, Dad, and then get closer right here. And then there's a center breastbone here, and you want to cut the bone away on either side of that. And just gonna cut down your bird. And you're gonna pull one breast out. Then you're gonna go to the other side. And then you're gonna grab it, pull it back, and just cut down the length of it. Make sure you have a sharp knife so you don't slide and cut your hand. And that's how you fillet a chucker.
I think the last part, it quit.
No, it didn't. Just the